Let's kick off the training with where you can find the download and launch the Music Bingo card generator. So the first thing you need to do is go to phenomcentral.com, and then from the apps menu, navigate to the Music Bingo card generator. Then simply scroll down the page until you find the download section. Or you can just simply click the button at the top of the page and it will take you straight there. The page will automatically detect whether you're running on Mac or Windows and offer the download for that. But if you are running on a Mac, for example, and you still want to download the Windows version, you can still do that as well. So all you need to do is simply download the file that relates to your operating system and then install it. When you first run the app, it will automatically put you in trial mode. So trial mode allows for a maximum of 8 cards to be generated and up to 10 PDF exports. Once you've exported 10 PDFs, then you will be required to enter a license key to continue using the program. We'll just quickly create a playlist here just for demonstration purposes. Let's put in demo here. I'll just add a song. Okay, and I'll save that just so you can see what happens. So this is the way your playlists will be displayed. So you'll have the name, the number of songs in the playlist, and whether the 4x4, 5x5, and 5x5 with free space cards have been generated. And then you have your action buttons where you can edit the playlist, generate your cards, preview your cards, create your PDF for printing, and also export your playlist and delete. So that's your download, installation, and getting started. So let's get into how you can actually start creating your first playlist.